Finding the best microwave cleaner can feel confusing when grease, food splatters, and burnt smells keep coming back. The best microwave cleaner is the one that cuts through stuck-on mess fast, stays food safe, and does not leave harsh chemical odors behind. I've cleaned microwaves after late-night popcorn, meal prep, and busy weeknights, so I know what actually works in real kitchens. After testing and researching what performs best in US homes, let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 7. Wyman Microwave and Cooktop Wipes. These wipes are my go-to for fast kitchen resets. The streak-free shine is real. One wipe clears splatters and greasy marks without smears. I use them after reheating food, and the microwave looks fresh in seconds. The scratch-safe care gives peace of mind on glass and ceramic cooktops. They work well for daily cleaning, not heavy buildup. For burnt-on messes, you may need extra wipes. Still, they save time on busy days. While not a liquid or the best microwave cleaner spray, these wipes are perfect for quick, easy, and low-effort cleaning. Number 6. Easy Off Heavy-Duty Degreaser Cleaner Spray. I reach for this when grease feels out of control. The heavy-duty power works fast and saves time. One spray breaks down thick grime on ovens, vents, and even garage tools. I also like the multi-surface use, since one bottle handles kitchen and outdoor messes. It feels made for tough jobs, not daily wipe-downs. That said, the smell is strong, so good airflow helps. I would not use it on delicate surfaces. For deep cleaning days, it delivers real results. While it's not a gentle option or a best microwave cleaner spray, it shines when heavy grease needs serious muscle. Number 5. Miracle Spray for Microwave and Cooktop. I started using this after one too many messy boilovers, and it quickly became a go-to. The streak-free shine is real. One wipe and my glass cooktop looks clear again. No haze, no residue. What surprised me most is how well it handles both the microwave and stove. The one-step degrease action cuts through baked-on splatter without heavy scrubbing. The scent is mild and clean, which I appreciate in a small US kitchen. It feels non-toxic and safe for daily use. For light to medium grease, it works fast. For old burnt-on messes, you may need a second pass. Still, as a daily option and even as a best microwave cleaner spray alternative, it keeps surfaces shiny with very little effort. Number 4. Spardar Angry Mama Microwave Cleaner. This one makes microwave cleaning feel less like a chore. I tried it after reheating pasta for days, and the Stay Cool arms made it easy to pull out without stress. You add water and vinegar, heat it, and let steam do the work. The grime softens fast. Most splatters wipe away with one swipe. I also enjoy adding lemon. The fresh lemon scent leaves the microwave smelling clean, not sharp or chemical heavy. It fits well in most US microwaves and feels sturdy enough for weekly use. The dishwasher-safe design is a nice time saver too. For light to medium messes, it works great. For heavy burns, you may need a second round or a quick wipe with the best microwave cleaner spray. Still, for everyday upkeep, this cleaner cuts time, effort, and makes the process a little fun. Number 3. TOPIST Angry Mama Microwave Cleaner. This cleaner turns microwave cleaning into a quick, almost fun task. I used it after a week of splatters, and the steam head vents really do the heavy lifting. You just add water and vinegar, heat it, and the steam loosens dried food fast. Most splatters wipe away in seconds. I also like the chemical-free clean approach. There's no harsh smell, and adding lemon gives a light, fresh scent that feels pleasant in small kitchens. The design is cute, but it's also practical. The heat-resistant build feels solid, and being dishwasher safe saves time. It works well for routine cleaning and cuts effort in half. The only limit is deep, burned-on stains may need a second round, or a quick wipe with the best microwave cleaner spray. Still, for weekly maintenance, dorm rooms, or busy homes, this little tool keeps microwaves fresh with almost no effort. Number 2. Aivwis Angry Mama Microwave Cleaner. This little tool makes microwave cleaning feel less like a chore. I tried it after one too many sauce splatters, and it honestly surprised me. The steam release head sends hot steam into every corner, which softens stuck food fast. You just add water and vinegar, heat it, and wipe. No struggling stress. I also like that it's non-toxic steam, so I feel safe using it often, even in small kitchens or dorm rooms in the US. The design is playful, and yes, it makes cleaning more fun than expected. A bit of lemon adds a fresh smell, which helps if odors linger. It's also dishwasher safe, which saves time. The only downside is it won't replace a deep scrub for old, burnt-on messes. Still, for quick weekly cleanup, it works well. While it's not a spray, it pairs nicely with the best microwave cleaner spray for tougher spots. Number 1. Lysol Pro Kitchen Spray Cleaner. If your microwave sees daily action like mine, this cleaner feels like a relief. What stood out first was kills 99.9% germs, which matters when you reheat leftovers or kids' snacks every day. I also liked how it cuts baked grease without heavy scrubbing. One quick spray, a short wait, and the mess wipes off clean. The citrus scent feels fresh, not sharp, which is great for small kitchens and dorm setups in the US. I've used it on microwave doors, turntables, and even nearby counters. It leaves no sticky feel when used as directed, which I appreciate. That makes it a solid option if you're searching for the best microwave cleaner spray for regular use. The only downside is you need to rinse food contact surfaces, which adds one extra step. Still, for fast cleaning and strong hygiene, it's reliable and easy to trust. Final verdict. After testing and comparing different options, Lysol Pro Kitchen Spray Cleaner is my top pick and best overall choice. It delivers strong cleaning power, cuts through grease fast, and helps keep kitchens hygienic with minimal effort. For most homes, this is the most reliable, all-around microwave and kitchen cleaner. If you want a budget-friendly and fun steam cleaning option, the Aivwis Angry Mama Microwave Cleaner is a smart pick. It works best for loosening dried food and odors using simple steam with no harsh chemicals. Check the description link for current prices and full details, and pick the microwave cleaner that fits your style and kitchen best.